pleased to present you a cheque from ourselves and Cooper Bowling Club of £555 from the proceeds of the bowling event sponsorship and also proceeds of the bar for the Gordon Post Memorial event that took place earlier in the year at Cooper Bowling Club. Lots of bowling clubs that we sponsor across Fife participated in the event. Fantastic day, the weather was even good thus, and as I say, Bowling Club collated the funds for the bar as well. So pleased to present you, as I say, on behalf of YourFordCentre, Cooper and Cooper Bowling Club, £555 for the British Heart Foundation.
Excellent, thank you very much. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thanks very much.
Thank you. Just like to say thanks to the Kirkcaldy Ford Group for this cheque. I've been with the British Heart Foundation since 1982. Through that time I've raised quite a lot of money within the area, raised the profile of the British Heart Foundation. The British Heart Foundation was founded in 1961 by a group of physicians, and from there they have made a lot of research and development and a lot of success stories. Success stories being transplants, pacemakers, high-level research through using a fish which can mend itself, and it's some stuff that they're using for stuff in the Heart Foundation. 61 years ago, 7 out of 10 people who had a heart attack didn't survive. Now 7 out of 10 do survive. Unfortunately, Gordon was one of these statistics that didn't survive. I met Gordon once, and a really nice guy, but Gordon's legacy was a legacy of love and respect for his employees, and this is a good testament from the employees on his memory. So thank you all.
Superb. Thanks very much, appreciate it.